everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I'm a mum of 3. I've got 2 beautiful boys and a beautiful girl. Today's video is going to be about baby wearing. I'm going to show you how I wear my baby wrap and how I tie it, and also tell you some of the, and I'll show you how to put the baby in as well. When baby wearing, remember ABC. A is for airways, B is for body position, and C is for C is for comfort. A, obviously, you know, airways, make sure their nose isn't squished, they're not pressed up against you, they can breathe and fresh air can circulate their face, they're not too hot. B is body position, so obviously if they're a newborn, you need to make sure that their neck is supported if they can't support their own head. Where are you going? Where are you going? Sorry. Yes, and their bum and their thighs should be the part that takes the most weight. You should see their legs in an M shape. C is for comfort. You should both be comfortable. No strap should be digging in. So yeah, let's just jump straight in and I will show you how I tie my wrap. Okay, so here's the wrap I use. I'll put a link for it in the description. Find your middle marker that goes the centre of your body. Wrap it around your boobs. You can either cross it over at the back and come over your shoulders, but I like to make little wings and go around. It seems to just be neater that way. Okay, then pull the middle bit down once you've got your X at the back and it's all fiddled nicely. Pull it down, adjust them all, and then I'll gather that one up and that one and pop them through. Then you're going to cross them over and go around the back and cross them over again and tie it around the front. I'll just tie it loosely until I get baby in. Okay, so once you've got baby, what you want to do is find the side that is the nearest to your body and start putting baby in, one leg at a time. You want to spread the material around their bum and their thigh. It's really stretchy. Sorry for the rocking, but she's really fussy. Okay, do the same with the other side, and then you have a seat. Normally with a newborn you'd tuck them in, the X would go, like the V shape would go all the way up to the neck, but she does not want her arms in today. So then you get the piece that was underneath your boobs and bring it over their legs and up round. And then what I like to do is just pull the straps down just over my shoulders. So there you go, that's how I tie my wrap and put baby in. I hope you found the video helpful, and if you have any sick, can you please? So thanks ever so much for watching, and don't forget to don't forget to subscribe so you can see more. And hit the bell. That's right. Yeah. Hit the little bell so you get notified when we post a new video. What else? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in my next video. Bye guys.